Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the world of mouth-watering fajitas. So, let's get started! Fajitas are a popular Tex-Mex dish that originated in the 1930s in South Texas. The name fajita comes from the Spanish word faja, which means belt or girdle. The dish was originally made with the skirt steak, which is the meat found along the sides of the cow. To make the perfect fajitas, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, you'll need a generous amount of skirt steak. Season it with salt, pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. Then, heat up your pan and cook the steak until it's medium rare. Next, you'll want to add some onions and bell peppers to the pan. Cook them until they're soft and slightly charred. Once they're cooked, add some sliced jalapenos for a little kick. Now, it's time to assemble your fajitas. Start by laying down a bed of fresh lettuce. Top it with the cooked steak, onions, and peppers. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. For the perfect accompaniment, serve your fajitas with warm flour tortillas. And if you're feeling extra hungry, add some refried beans and Spanish rice to your plate. Remember, fajitas are all about customization. Feel free to add your favorite toppings and sides to make this dish your own. So, there you have it, folks! A quick and easy guide to making delicious fajitas at home. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and food tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!